This is patient Mocha. Ang concern naman ay ang kanyang skin. So, as you can see here, meron siyang lesion dito sa may lumbar area at sacral region. Magra-run po tayo ng skin scraping, skin cytology, Woods lamp, and CBC also if in case na may elevation of eosinophils or neutrophils for infection. So ito try din natin i-identify through skin cytology and Woods lamp. Okay, so yun lang. Skin scrape tayo. Ayan, next naman is yung skin cytology. Try natin mag-dip dito and put some stain mamaya. Oh, ayun no. Meron tayong nakikitang fluorescence. So let's go, proceed. For CBC, extract na tayo ng blood at confirm for fungal lesions. 13.6.
Gagamitin nyo pa dun sa surgery.
Different skin cytology. Too many neutrophils.